Hello there. Welcome to Springer's Adventures. Frank here. Welcome to part 9 of the Shovelhead. Been wanting to get a different seat for the bike. Not that there's anything wrong with the other seat to look at it, but the pan underneath, which was plastic from the factory, is starting to break down and crack and everything like that. So instead of completely destroying that, I figured, hey, let's put this in, it'll become a wall hanger, and let's look for a new seat. I'd seen a couple seats trying to figure out what I want. I figured I'd mock one up here on the bike, this is kind of like the style I'm looking for. And I figured, hey, let's see what I could find out. And got on the old Facebook Marketplace one day, and sure enough, there I find one at the marketplace. And it was priced extremely well. And I actually even got it for $10 cheaper, got it for 65. The guy had bought it years ago and had it sitting in his garage as a wall hanger. And so we decided to go ahead and pick it up there. So it's sitting on the front seat of the old Chevy truck there. Going to go ahead and put it on here. Let me show you what I did there.
So just letting you guys know as well, the little nutsert right there, the fender nut to put the seat on there because of the new seat is still available through Harley. There's the part number, 59768-97. Got it at the local dealership, $3.18 with tax. And it does come with a little C-clip in there as well. And my little secret to putting it in there is I usually just tie a string, or you could even, if you have some wire or something like that, put it through there, put a knot on the end, and just pull it up from through there, and then you put the C-clip on. Otherwise, I can't stick my hand up underneath there. I mean, you could jack it up, take the shocks off, let the tire drop down a little bit more, and you might be able to get you some room, but this usually works out pretty good. Like I said, you just take it, let it hang down there. You got it where it'll pull up in there and pull it up.
So there's a picture of the bike with the new seat on there. I kind of like the profile of it. As soon as the weather dries out a little bit outside, I have to take it for a ride and see how she does with the new seat on there. Hey, thanks so much. I hope you like the seat there. If you have any comments or questions about it, by all means, shoot them down below there. I'll answer them the best I can. And hey, we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.